Snapchat moderates its app using its terms of service and community guidelines. And violating the Snapchat terms of service or guidelines can get your Snapchat account banned. A Snapchat ban isn't always permanent. Even if Snapchat bans your IP address, there's a solution. Let's dive into details. We've tested all your options for getting unbanned from Snapchat. Types of Snapchat bans: temporary bans block you from the platform for a short period of time. Permanent bans stop you from accessing that account unless you succeed with an appeal. IP address bans are bans against your internet network, but they can be bypassed with a VPN, letting you create another account. Device IME bans are the worst kind, stopping you from using Snapchat on your device altogether. For temporary or permanent bans, you can get your account back if you're successful with an appeal. This is the preferred route, as it's essentially a second chance. How to get unbanned from Snapchat in 2024. A complete guide how to get unbanned from Snapchat. While Snapchat might accept an appeal, most bans are final. However, you can try each of the methods we've outlined below to either get your account back or create a new one. Watch the full video step-by-step guide to getting unbanned from Snapchat below. Best ways to get unbanned from Snapchat. There are several ways to unlock Snapchat for your account. I will show you the best way so that you can get your account one. Wait for a temporary ban to expire. This step is more designed for people who have suffered the ultimate punishment, the device ban. Snapchat fingerprints your device's unique IMEI number, meaning any new accounts created on that device can be banned too. We have seen many reports of users having new accounts banned. However, the same community claims that after 6 months, they can use the device to create new accounts without being banned. One option is to wait until the ban ends. If your ban is temporary, you can wait. If it's not temporary, but you don't want to try the above steps, you can leave Snapchat until the long-term ban happens.
2. Appeal your ban. If your ban isn't temporary, or even if it is, an appeal may be your best bet to get Snapchat unblocked. This is the only way to recover a permanently banned Snapchat account. Just follow the steps below. How to appeal a Snapchat ban. Enter your Google or Chrome browser, then type Snapchat support, and then click the search icon. Go to the Snapchat support page and click You will be brought to another page. Contact us to contact Snapchat support. Then click on the option, I cannot access my account. Choose the option, I see an error message when I log in. Click Yes when asked if you need further help. Fill in the form with your username that you use to open a Snapchat account. Then you will fill in the email you opened, and you will fill in the SIM number that you used to open the account. In the description section, you will end by writing a message to tell them what your problem is. Write a message like this: Hello Snapchat support. I hope this message finds you well. I recently found that my account has been unexpectedly blocked, and I'm not sure why. Could you please assist me in resolving this issue and reinstating my account? I would appreciate any help you can provide. Thank you. Your name. Submit your request and wait until your request is answered and the ban on your account removed. While there's an option to select My account has been locked, you won't be given the option to contact support if you choose this box. Still, if you don't ask, you don't get. We think it's worth contesting your ban as a first port of call. Note: when Snapchat bans your account, this is generally due to the fact that you violated its terms. While the below methods could help you to access Snapchat again, we don't recommend actively using them when you have indeed violated the terms, as this is against the app's terms of service. Bear in mind that Snapchat could delete any new accounts that you create. 3. Use a VPN, virtual private network. The simplest way to get unbanned from Snapchat in the face of an IP address ban is by using a VPN. When you connect to the internet with a VPN, your IP address changes. Instead of your usual IP address, websites and apps will see the VPN server's IP address. Any bans against your IP address will become ineffective. In other words, you'll be able to access Snapchat. It's important to choose the right VPN service. A handful of countries ban Snapchat by default, and free VPNs, for example, might not have servers that support the app. We recommend getting unbanned from Snapchat by using NordVPN's powerful but affordable service. Here's a quick guide to getting unbanned from Snapchat with NordVPN. Delete Snapchat from your smartphone or tablet. Visit NordVPN, then create an account. Install NordVPN onto your device. Connect to a VPN server. We recommend using a US or European VPN server. Install Snapchat again, but don't log in with your old account. Now you should be able to access Snapchat and create a new account. Note: a VPN cannot unlock a permanently locked Snapchat account, but it can prevent your future accounts from being banned. If you ever log into Snapchat with a new account using the network IP that was banned, your new accounts could be at risk too. So be sure to use your VPN subscription every time you use Snapchat, or use a dynamic IP address. A dynamic IP address can achieve the same result as a VPN. In this context, dynamic means changing. A dynamic IP address changes from time to time. Usually, this is when you restart your router or reset it to factory default. Your internet service provider might already use dynamic IP addresses by default. If in doubt, get in touch with them to check whether yours is dynamic or static, aka fixed. If you have a dynamic IP address, unbanning Snapchat could be as simple as rebooting your router. With most ISPs, this can be achieved by inputting 192.168.1.1 into your browser's address bar and logging into the router. What causes you to get banned from Snapchat? There are numerous reasons why your Snapchat account or device can be banned. Sometimes you could get wrongly banned due to algorithm mistakes or hacking. However, most people's devices or accounts are banned for legitimate mistakes, such as sharing illegal or banned content, bullying other Snapchat users, creating fake accounts, or sharing fake information. When Snapchat suspects that your account has been hacked. Installing third-party Snap apps. When Snapchat thinks you are a robot, watch more videos.